Hi guys, today's video is all about what are the career prospects of learning AI and ML, and what are the roles that usually people perform when they learn AI or ML, and what are the fields they learn in. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Of course, the first path for someone who wants to start their career in artificial intelligence can work as a AI or ML software engineer. So what does an AI or ML software engineer do? He or she, they develop an AI or ML algorithm or applications for a company, or they can create specific computer functions. They can represent data, they can represent analytics with layouts, flowchart, diagrams, etc. to represent any kind of information. And the one requirement for this path is that you need to know multiple programming languages, because there might be situations where you're not working on a single programming language. So it's always better to know more than one or more than two programming languages, at least the basics. So the recommended languages for this is C, C++, which is almost the same, Scala, Java, R, and Python. So R and Python, obviously the standard machine learning programming languages, are also important for this one. So another option for an AI enthusiast can be becoming a machine learning engineer. So a machine learning engineer, he or she designs or develops machine learning systems by using algorithms and tools. Uh, they can also uh, improve the efficiency of a machine learning app through the development of it with several algorithms. Um, and obviously the language which is used in becoming a AI or machine learning engineer can be um, Python, Scala, R, Java, and C++. Obviously, the standard languages are also used here. Data scientist is also a very similar profession as a machine learning engineer. The only difference is that a data scientist focuses more on analytics and numbers, and not more on the technical side. Obviously, there is coding, there is more of algorithms and tools involved, but the concept of a data scientist is definitely different. So they can work on advanced technologies like big data, deep learning, any visual recognition system, or any voice recognition system, and then obviously quantum computing, robotics, etc. So another area where a lot of AI enthusiasts are trying their hands on is NLP. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing, where the computer is given several data of language, that is our human voice or any your common language, your common texting language. Let's say, for example, let's type, how is your day going? So a chatbot or a translation system, or let's say any system like Google Assistant or Siri or Alexa, can reply to you based on what you're talking. So the concept is that the chatbot or the assistant or the engine needs to analyze what you're talking and then reciprocate with a reply to you, which is definitely related to the question you asked. So this is what NLP is all about. So what the machine learning patterns and speech recognition is completely involved in this sort of an area. And few websites like Grammarly and Duolingo are also using this same thing, where uh, a machine translates what a human is trying to input as text. So let's say a person types something in German. So the answer, if I want to convert it to English, that is what Google Translate does, right? So if I want to convert the German text into English, it completely gives me the meaning in English. So this is what NLP is all about. So these were the options where a data enthusiast can find work into, but there are also other major applications of AI such as autopilot system, image recognition, robotics, quantum computing. So there are certain other amazing things what a person can do with AI as a career, but these were some of the main things where usually an AI enthusiast works on. So I hope this information helped you, and thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.